Good morning. Welcome to Princess Exiled 1. I've left a few messages with Mr. Berger at Original Sound Records. I just want my Grammy back, Mr. Berger. I don't want to make a Milli Vanilli story out of this Selena Siempre album. I sang the lead on Dreamin', Only Love, Is It the Beat, the Donna Summer songs. I sang background on A Boy Like That and a song called Mona Lisa, when the project was named Alma. She, the Latin girl, went on and did the Latin songs and sang the songs I recorded live. I'm asking for my money. I've left several messages. I'm hoping this doesn't turn into a fight for my own recordings and writings. Peace out from Princess Exiled 1, Royal Justice, Part 1.